Welcome back to Carolina Rut Cuddles. Today, we're taking the 6x6 out. I've been tinkering on it just a little bit, trying to make the chain some top jumping. I took links out, I did tensionals, but then once I took the links out, the tensionals wouldn't fit, and there's no way to make them fit, so we're going without tensional. We're gonna go through this mud, we're gonna see what we can get into. I might do some throw it possum action, because I know y'all like the last Rancho video when we did throw it possum with just the stand, I guess, because sadly, ow, something bit me. Mosquitoes everywhere, help! Anyways, I know y'all like that, so we don't have anybody here again because it's the weekend. I was gonna go on a jet ski, but I felt like, screw that, we're taking some 6x6 videos. The wind's blowing 100 miles an hour, so I couldn't do it outside. I had to get in this wood. So anyways, let me slap on a GoPro, and we're gonna go through this hole right here, you know, this one right there, and then we're gonna go in the swamp if it walks right. I have a feeling it's not gonna walk right. Come on, guys. Has it ever walked right for me? Never. But if it doesn't, screw it. We're still gonna send it till it snaps in half, but we probably won't send it through the swamp if it doesn't walk right. Anyways, let me slap the GoPro on and we'll get to this. Welcome back, guys. I hope the camera's in a good position. Anyways, let's see if we fix this. I'm still saying no. I don't think we fixed it, but hey, let's try it. Let's hope there's no snakes in here. Well, the chain broke immediately. Oh, come on. Back it up, 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 back it up. What happened? That chain just snapped off. How? It was perfect. It was a perfect chain. Now I lost my chain. I'm gonna walk in here. So if it's going to bite me, because it's out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Is that a chain? Nope, that's root. I'm just walking in here, weanal deep. Oh crap, that's a turtle. Nope, the chain's staying in here. It's staying. Fetch. Anyways, that went horrible. So I'm gonna go get the Rancho and we're gonna take the Rancho. Because at least something's gonna mud today. Ugh. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the 6x6 is dead. R.I.P. the 6x6. Oh. Anyways, I give up. I'm done. The 6x6 is no more. I am going to continue building it with something other than chains. That chain was perfect. It was tight. It was a brand new chain. It was heavy chain, not light chain. It's what they call 50 heavy. Every sprocket was right. I got all the links straight. I got everything like it was supposed to. And it lasted one pull in there and it broke off for no reason. I am done with these chains. They are done. They are out. We're going shaft drive. I'm going to spend $1,000, $2,000 and we're getting it straight. This is right now. This is what's going to happen. This weekend I'm going to go buy another 300. We're cutting it up to build the rear end for this thing. That is the plan, unless this is sold and then it's going to be sad because I got to find another one that's wrecked. Anyways, we're going to take the Rancho out now because we can't just let the video 3 minutes long. That will be boring. So let's get the Rancho out and let's go send it so I feel a little bit better, because I feel like crap right now because I was really hoping to drive that thing a little bit. I miss it. Anyways, to the Rancho. I'll see y'all in the woods with the GoPro on. Anyways, I just realized that last time I drove this, the throttle kept sticking. If you watch that video, you know it was not a good time. We got thrown off. Ah, fuck. Oh crap. Oh, damn. Ah. Woo! So, he was hoping that we don't die today. Whoa. Hello. And left and a right and a left and a right. You can tell we're running out of waddle because it's definitely not wheeling like it was the other day, which is a little sad. I was enjoying myself the other day wheeling. What the? Is it just me, or did I feel like I was just on top of that rut? Let's do that again. I think I just rode that entire rut without ever falling out of it. So this thing didn't even barely get in the water that time. Ah! Yeah, it's not even falling in the rut. That's crazy. This thing's like, nah, I don't want to get wet. Can we go up it? I don't think so. Come on. Come on. We stuck again. I don't know where we're going, but I'm not hitting it anymore. It just decided it wanted to go. Oh. Yay! Where you going, babe? Like it feels like it's sticking, but I don't know where it's sticking at. Oh, this is just not my day. One more time. Oh. I swear, guys, there's nothing more upsetting than everything you own and being broken. Like, can I just go 1 minute without something breaking? Okay, so now that I'm over here in my yard, in my parents' yard, I do gotta talk to y'all a second. So y'all gotta hear how crazy bad luck I've had lately, other than everything breaking, as y'all see. I saw a 2007 Honda 450 four-wheel drive for dirt cheap the other day, running, good shape, and I went to buy it. The guy was acting like I was the only one. Tried to get up with him, and then he goes, "My buddy wants it, so I think I'm gonna let him buy it instead." So that kind of discouraged me. And then I saw a Can-Am Outlander 500, and I tried to buy it, but sadly that person is just, I don't know what's wrong with them. They act like they want to sell it, but they never will send, you know, messages back for like one a day, and they're slow. I don't know. It's been bad luck with trying to buy stuff lately. And if you can't have new stuff, you got to keep buying old stuff and keep the stuff coming. So hopefully I'll have a new vehicle soon, guys. I've been trying to buy one, but it's hard because every time you find a deal, someone else scoops it up. And I still got to go get that 300 that I've been trying to get for almost 4 months. Anyways, guys, I figured I'd let y'all know all this. Keep y'all in the loop of what's going on at the Carolina Ruck Cuddles YouTube. But let's go home. There's a 6x6. Well, So, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching as always. As you saw, the 6x6 is dead. R.I.P. 6x6. Anyways, so we got to start back from scratch on that. I'm going to redesign it. I'm done. I said that before, but this is it. It's it. I'm going to go look at something this weekend to help try to fix it. And the Rancho, I totally forgot the throttle was broken on it when I took it out. And, yeah, it kind of hung up a couple times, but not too bad. There wasn't enough waddle this time for it to wheelie like it did the last video. So I got lucky this time. So when it throttle jammed, it didn't kill me this time, but it tried last time. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out this 6x6 video when it actually didn't break, and this playlist of all the 6x6 build. We just got to start from scratch, guys. That's the name of the game with a build when you do it like this, what I call the backyard build, I guess, because we don't have the money to do everything just right. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and I will see y'all on the next one.